So our diploma courses are aimed at people who are looking to really interrogate what it is to train as an actor. It's for people aged between 18 and 25 who want to experience what a practical training is, want to gain some skills in a professional environment and potentially go on to do further full-time training.
I wanted experience in a real drama school so you can get a little taster of what it could be like on a 3-year course.
I absolutely love Shakespeare myself, and the fact that we get to do Shakespeare as part of our showcase is so much fun.
We explore things like audition technique, movement, voice, acting fundamentals, and we do a performance for an invited audience in here in our studio theatre.
There is something great about learning here, the idea of creating a company and gaining the confidence to learn how to work as an ensemble. That is one of the main things that I'm taking away from the course.
So come to the course with an open heart and an open mind, and that's when something really magical will happen.